So I discovered that a lot of graphic designers find it difficult getting resource element for their designs. They probably might see a beautiful resource or element in some designs, but they don't know how to go about getting it. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that real quick with just your smartphone and internet connection. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first method will be making use of this tool right here. So this tool is called the Google Lens. So where can I find it? It's located in the Google Photo, also in the Google browser app. So when you open your Google Photo app and select a picture, you see this tool right here. That's the Google Lens. Use it to search any resource elements you find attractive in designs. What of the iPhone users? iPhone users have visual lookup or live text, but that's from iOS 15 and above. Most reviewers says Google Photos gives a better results than iOS, so maybe that's a big win for Android. So this is how we're going to do it. So we have a sample right here, a souvenir. We want to use it for sample. So assuming we want to check out these resource elements, maybe we want to search out this keg, palm wine keg right here. Sorry. So what we have to do is to, once we open it using Google Photos, we go over and click on the lens icon right here. So we are going to crop it using the crop tool that appears over it and select the object that we want to search up. So we select this keg right here and see the result, search result over here. So we're looking for the exact picture. So we're looking for the exact picture, and we couldn't find something exactly like that. So let's add some keywords. Sometimes you have to add keywords like cake, because I think that looks like a cake. So cake, let's see the results. Okay, so here we go. So look at what we are looking for right here, and this is the exact picture of this keg palm wine. So that's very simple, just like that. So let's check for another thing right now. Let's say we want to check out the ring. Okay, so let's see how the result comes out. Here you go. So far, so just see the ring right away and saw some other related pictures. So very simple, very simple. So I'm going to check out other one. Let's say I want to check out this flower right here. So we'll check out the flower. So result is here already, and here's the flower. Real quick, very simple. So that's just pretty how to do that. So this is another sample right here. We have some overlays we want to search up, overlays of light leaks or prism lights. Here we're going to use the same method. So we highlight in the area, and here is the results. We've seen so many of them, and what of this one right here. Okay, so let's search it up. Here you go. So look at the pictures and other related ones. Actually looks good. So here is another design. We want to search up for this model, and we'll just have to highlight it and see how it goes. It doesn't give us something related to that, so let's add some keyword to this. Let's say let's say model with phone. So let's see how it goes. Oops, no matches. So let's highlight this area. Let's see how it's going to search out if we highlight these parts. Okay, let's search. No. So let's add another keyword. Let's say model pressing phone. Let's check it out. Oh no, still same. Let's search of girl pressing phone. Still same thing. So I think something is wrong here. I decided that this image has been tempered by the designer, actually maybe edited, and therefore the exact picture is not searchable by the Google Lens, or that this picture is AI generated and also not available online. So, but for us to confirm this, let's do one more thing. So we're going to crop out this image. So we're going to crop it out, and then we'll save it. So we're going over to Pinterest, because Pinterest have a whole library of pictures and resources. So Pinterest have these features also luckily for us, so we're going to use it right to confirm this. So we're going over to Pinterest. So we're going over to Pinterest, and then we open it. Our network is quite bad. Let's wait to load for some time. So we're going to click on the search bar right here, and then click on the camera icon over here, and then click this box over here. So once we click on it, we're going to see the photos we have in the library gallery, and then we have to select this one we cropped. So Pinterest is going to search it up right now, and here you go. So look at what we have here and pictures related to that. We are actually looking for the exact picture with a green shade, so we're actually looking for it. We haven't seen something exactly like that. I think this one right here is most likely the picture and actually resembles it very well. This one resembles it, but it has a glasses and it also has an orange phone, so it is not the picture. Okay, let's still search for this one. Also resembles it, also resembles it, but the mouth is closed and the green is not as greenish as the one we have right here. Got the one we have, it's not the same. So I think this is actually the picture. That's why I said it's actually was tampered. So let's confirm it by screenshotting it and then going over to Google Lens and searching it up. So go over to Google Lens and select this picture, and then click on the Google Lens. Here you go. Here is it. Real quick, and it just brought out the picture. And that's why I say the picture was actually tampered by the graphic designer. So that's it. So we have another sample right here. We have these objects that we actually want to work on, but this object has the right operating on it, and if we're going to search it right away like this, if you're going to search it this way, we're going to have right up on it. So after cropping it, we need to clean up the right up routine on it. So we're going to edit, click on edit, and then go to markup. This is our Google Photos, so we're going to use a pen or a highlighter to clean up the write up. So clean up the write up with a pen or highlighter, anyone. We are using the same color of the object we want to search up for. So once we are done, we're going to save it, right? So going to save it right away, and then we're going to use it for the search up. So we're going to click on the lens right now and see what Google Lens have for us. Okay, here you go. Exactly the picture is what we have right here, and other related pictures. So also in Pinterest, you can also go to Pinterest and also click on this square icon and also the picture. Here you go, and we have a lot of them, exactly the picture. So this is very simple, and you can just try it and some other resources you have and you have been searching for. So we have the next method here, which is keyword. So a keyword, we are going to be using words that actually search up the element or resources we have been looking for. But this actually takes some kind of time, more than the Google Lens method. So, but I have a video where I did a compilation of some trending resource keywords. So make sure you check it out at the end screen, so you'll be able to search for it real quick and get your result. So like this one, we just look up for right now. We can use the keyword for red ribbon tag. So look at what we have right here. So and look at what we have, and it didn't give us the result immediately because we need to search through to find the exact one we are looking for, because we have varieties of them. So these are tags and these are ribbon. So the keyword for this is ribbon tag, and once you search it with the color, it's going to give us the exact resource and other related ones. So the same thing in Pinterest. So you can just go to the search bar and search red ribbon tag. Exactly what we are looking for. So look at it right here. Very simple. So let's look at some other things we have here. Let's say this rainbow. We have overlays of rainbow lights right here, which are light leaks or prism lights. So the keyword is actually the rainbow light effect or light leak overlay, or the rainbow overlay. So you can actually search it up, rainbow overlay. So you're going to search through and scroll to see the exact ones you are looking for. Okay, so I was looking for, okay, let's add rainbow effect overlay. So these are keywords that brings us closer to the result we are looking for. So here is it. I think this is the most commonly used one. So rainbow prism overlay. So also the overlay, the rainbow, these are the keywords we need. So the same thing in Pinterest, you can also search it up. So rainbow overlay. many, very many of them. Here is it, a whole lot of them. And Pinterest actually gives a very better result for these resources than Google. Or you can make the use of keyword light leak or light leak overlay. It still gives the same result. For the last method, we'll be using AI to generate resources, but this actually needs a lot of intelligence and good prompting, because AI use prompts instead of just keywords. So you have to describe what you're actually looking for very well. If possible, draw it, upload it, and add a description to it. So we'll be doing one of them right now to see how it goes. So AI, you make use of prompts. Maybe AI like ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT and Grok. So two of them gives me very cool results. So let's check it out right now. So here is the first one we used before, uploading it to ChatGPT right now, and then adding a prompt. Say generate the model exactly. So click on it. It's taking some time because I'm actually on free version, so you have to be patient enough. I have to fast forward it. Let's process an image. So here we go. It gives us the picture we sent to it exactly. Maybe you didn't understand very well. That's why I said prompt actually needs some precision and specification on what you actually need. So we're going to add some more keyword to it. So generate the gear only. So let's see what it gives right now. And here you go. So very simple, and it was actually takes a lot of time to process it. I just fast forward this video and brought out the result later on. So I'm actually on a free version, that's why it's slow, and this is actually very simple to create. And when we click on save, we just click on save right here. So it's saved, and we can now go to gallery and see the picture ourselves. So here's a picture right way, and the quality is actually very cool, and it's actually very, very cool. So that's how you get resources and elements for a design project real quick without stress. Check out some of my videos. If you're a graphic designer, you haven't subscribed to Moving Ideas, do that now. Never miss a video from us. Catch you on the next one. Peace.